Hello everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you chromatic button accordions, BSystem and CSystem. Inside of these accordions is the same as on the piano accordion, so no difference there. Also the bass side is the same. What is different is the keyboard and the shape and the size of the instrument. Buttons on these accordions are aligned in certain order. Well, that would be chromatic order. That's why it's called chromatic button accordion. But what does that mean? It means that there is a semitone distance between every button. At first, it may seem impossible to understand and figure out which key is where, but when you look closer, you'll usually find some of the buttons marked. The button keyboard is set in 3 different rows, and 1 or 2 or 3 help rows that are the same as the first 3 rows. Having these help rows is allowing the player to have much more options when it comes to the fingerings, which at the end makes the button accordion easier to play, especially technically advanced pieces. It has also a shorter distance between octaves, so you can cover a lot of the keyboard, and the alignment of the keys puts your hand in a very comfortable position. What's also easier is to play chords and double notes like thirds or sixths. BSystem, or as some people around here call it Russian system, gets its name from the first key on the keyboard, note B. Of course, a smaller accordion can start from a different key. What is special with this system is that key of C is placed in the 3rd row, and that is a basic position of the hand. If you want to play a C major scale, you would play like this. CSystem is the younger system, and it gets the name from the key of C we can find in the 1st row. The alignment is in a way opposite of the B system. It puts your hand basic position like this, instead of this. C major scale would be played like this. Or both systems are equally good. Both systems are trying to maximally exploit all of the fingers, and even though they allow you to play easier, you would still have to put in a lot of work to master these instruments. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.